takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Exactly 2 weeks ago I bought my very first drone, a DJI Mavic Mini, but since then I've been frustrated by Sydney's strong gusty winter winds that make flying unsafe. I have managed to build up 46 minutes of airtime on the few calm days we've had. All of this has been spent in open sporting fields, practicing safe flying to make sure I didn't crash or lose the drone.
3, 2, 1.
2 days ago the weather was glorious, so I went to a football ground in Castle Hill to continue practicing, and it was there that I suffered a birdstrike. In Australia we have a bird called the magpie. It's not the same as the British magpie, it's a larger, heavier bird with a strong, sharp beak. The male can become extremely aggressive when protecting chicks in the nest, usually during the months of September, October and November. If you get too close to the nest, they'll swoop and attack you. They aim for the face and have been known to cause bleeding and even the loss of eyesight. Despite this, magpies are a protected species in Australia. We love them for their distinctive melodic calls and their quirky behaviour. In popularity contests, they're always the most loved bird of all. Getting back to the attacks, most are on pedestrians and cyclists. On my last flight I discovered they also attack drones. That morning I experienced about 8 attacks over a period of 5 minutes or so. On each occasion there was a noise that I think was the propeller blades striking the magpie. On the last attack my drone was knocked sideways. It's a tribute to the gimbal. The footage was perfectly stable. Coming up I have 2 compilations showing the magpie attacks.
3, 2, 1.
In the first compilation I show the strikes at normal speed. In the second I show the clips at 1/4 speed so you can see more clearly what's happening. Here's the first set at normal speed.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
And now the same set at 1/4 speed. At this point, I decided to abandon the flight for the safety of the drone and the Magpie.